What up, Mustang Fans of America? I just wanted to make a new video talking a little bit about the plans I have for the Mustang now that I have the Mustang back. The last time I talked to you guys, the car had gotten hit. I was in the shop. I do have it back. I also have installed 500 CDC grill on the front, which I'm going to be showing you guys later today. So in the meantime, let's talk a little bit about mods for this car. So I do plan on doing the GT500 lower grille. I'm gonna do the R&R lower splitter. I want to do the GT500 stripes in blue. The car is white. Let's see here. I'm gonna do a Roush exhaust. And then I plan on, tinting the windows. I'm looking for rims, so if you guys have any ideas, you can go ahead and put that in the comment section. That'd be awesome. This is only my second YouTube video, so I don't know how this quality is gonna come out, but I promise you I'll get better over time here. I'm hoping I could do some video edits and show some throwouts of the car, showing the sides of it in the front. So yeah, that's kind of what I want to talk about. Let me know what some of the projects you guys are. Please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Mustang Fans of America. And if you have any feedback, just let me know. And yeah, so that's all I have for you guys today.